In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Binance demo trading on the mobile app. Whether you're new to trading or just want to test out strategies without the financial risk, using a demo or mock environment can be incredibly beneficial. The great thing about Binance is that they provide a demo trading option within their futures section, allowing you to practice trades and get comfortable with the interface. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open the Binance app on your mobile device and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to access the app. Once successfully logged in, you're all set to start exploring the world of demo trading. Next, let's navigate to the futures section of the app. From the home screen, look for the futures icon. This section is specifically designed for trading contracts based on a future price of cryptocurrencies, and it's here where you can access the demo trading feature. Now, once you're inside the futures section, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice three small dots. Go ahead and tap on those. This will open up a menu with additional options related to futures trading. Among these options, you're looking for mock trading. Tap on it and voila, you've entered the demo trading mode. This setup closely mirrors real futures trading, but without the financial risks. You can place both long and short trades, utilize leverage, and try out different strategies. It's an excellent way to familiarize yourself with the trading tools and experience different market conditions without the pressure of live trading. While engaging in mock trading, you'll want to monitor your progress and results. To do this, simply navigate to the Positions and Order History tabs. These will provide insights into your trades, allowing you to analyze your decisions and refine your strategies. This analysis is crucial if you plan to transition to live trading later on. However, it's important to note that demo trading on Binance is currently only available in the futures market, not in the spot market. If you can't find the demo trading feature in the app, you might need to enable it through Binance.com first. It's always wise to ensure that all features are activated and up to date. With all this information, you should now be set to explore and practice trading in a risk-free environment. Enjoy the process and remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on navigating the world of cryptocurrency trading.